A good morning starts with tea and a table that stays.
Well, at that same time, that settles it. Let's make something better. First, we seal the mold. Resin finds every little gap if you let it.
Clouds need shape, not just color. A little space between them lets the light breathe.
Light should come from inside the sky, not from above. That's what makes it feel alive. Keep the pour slow. Clear resin should hold the clouds, not drown them.
Resin doesn't like hurry. Sand every step, then polish until the depth comes back.
Much better. Tea tastes nicer when there's a bit of sky under it.